Let's talk about drones. And not just any drones. We're talking about the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Yeah, that one. It's shaping up to be a real game changer, and honestly, the hype is real. DJI's been knocking it out of the park for years, and everyone's itching to see what they've cooked up for 2025. Leaks are flying, rumors are swirling, and expectations are sky high. So let's dive in and see what we can expect. Today, we're dissecting the leaks and rumors surrounding the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Is this going to be the drone that sets a new standard? Let's find out. First off, design. We're hearing whispers of a fresh look, maybe even taking cues from the Mini 4 Pro. More aerodynamic, improved stability, you know the works. And get this, some leaks hint at a redesigned rear section sitting slightly lower than the front arms. Optimizing balance, flight dynamics, it's all about efficiency. Now here's the really interesting part. A mysterious sensor on one of the propeller arms. LiDAR? Infrared? Nobody's quite sure. But the potential is huge. Enhanced obstacle detection, avoidance. And if it's positioned right, it could free up space for a more versatile camera gimbal, maybe even 90-degree tilt functionality. That's a game changer for structural inspections and getting those unique aerial perspectives. Speaking of cameras, this is where the Mavic 4 Pro is really going to shine. We're talking about a triple lens module, 24mm wide angle, 50mm mid-range, and 145mm telephoto. Unmatched versatility, switch between perspectives without swapping gear. And get this, vertical shooting. For TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, this is going to be a dream for social media creators. On the technical side, an f2.0 aperture for killer low-light performance. 6K recording at 50 to 60 frames per second, D-Log capabilities for pro-grade color grading. If these features make it to production, the Mavic 4 Pro is going to be a filmmaker's best friend. Now, battery life, a crucial factor. We're hearing about a larger battery and enhanced aerodynamics, pushing flight time up to 50 minutes per charge. That's a significant improvement. Less battery swapping, longer uninterrupted shoots. Real estate photographers, surveyors, this is going to be a huge time saver. DJI's always been at the forefront of drone intelligence, and the Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to take things to a whole new level. Improved active track, enhanced subject tracking, even in complex environments. New autonomous flight modes, making cinematic shots easier than ever. And that mysterious sensor? It could mean even more refined obstacle detection and avoidance. So, when can you get your hands on this beast? Leaks suggest an April 2025 release. And the price? The base classic version might start around $2,800. And for the pros, a high-end Cine variant ranging from $4,000 to $5,000. Apple ProRes support, expanded internal storage, it's going to be a serious piece of kit. Let's compare it to its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. Triple lens setup, 6K recording, f2.0 aperture, 50-minute flight time. Improved obstacle avoidance, autonomous flight. The Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a major upgrade, but of course, with that comes a higher price tag. Look, nothing's official yet, but all signs point to the DJI Mavic 4 Pro being a groundbreaking release. If these rumored improvements in design, camera tech, flight time, and intelligent features turn out to be true, this drone could become the new gold standard for aerial photography and videography. Professional-grade features in a compact, intelligent package. It's going to appeal to filmmakers, content creators, and drone enthusiasts alike. But remember, these are just leaks and speculation. We'll have to wait for DJI's official announcement for the full picture. As the rumored launch date approaches, more credible information is likely to surface. So stay tuned. And in the meantime, what do you think? Are you excited about the Mavic 4 Pro? Let us know in the comments below. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is already generating excitement in the tech community, even though its official release is anticipated in September 2025. Thanks to regulatory filings and insider leaks, we've been given a sneak peek into what could be DJI's most advanced action camera yet. Let's dive into the potential specs, features, and why this camera might be worth the wait. One of the standout rumors about the Osmo Action 6 is its potential dual model offering, as hinted at in regulatory filings. Reports suggest two battery capacities, 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh, which could indicate the release of both a standard and a pro version. This strategy would enable DJI to cater to both casual users seeking an affordable, straightforward camera and professionals needing longer recording times and advanced features. The current Osmo Action 5 Pro is praised for its compact design and versatile features, but it has faced criticism in areas like low light performance, limited resolution options, and codec support. If the leaks are accurate, the Osmo Action 6 could address these concerns head-on. Improved low-light performance would make it ideal for evening adventures, underwater exploration, and other challenging environments. One of the biggest frustrations with the Osmo Action 5 Pro has been its limited codec support. While it supports HEVC, users have long called for more versatile codecs like H.264 or ProRes for greater flexibility in post-production workflows. Including these codecs in the Osmo Action 6 could broaden its appeal among content creators, especially those in professional settings. Another key improvement many are hoping for lies in lens performance. Users have noted issues with lens flares in low-light conditions, often requiring the removal of the lens guard to mitigate the problem, a less than ideal solution. A redesigned lens or an upgraded lens guard could fix this issue, ensuring sharper image quality without compromising lens protection. Battery life remains a critical consideration for action camera users. The rumored dual battery options, a smaller, lightweight model and a larger extended capacity one, would cater to different needs. Travelers and outdoor enthusiasts might prioritize portability, while professionals could opt for the Pro version with its extended recording capabilities, perfect for long shoots or complex projects. DJI has consistently delivered impressive image stabilization, and the Osmo Action 6 is expected to build on this tradition. However, with competitors like GoPro pushing boundaries with their stabilization technologies, DJI will need to step up its game. Further advancements in electronic image stabilization could make this camera a top choice for action sports enthusiasts and vloggers seeking smooth, shake-free footage in dynamic environments. Connectivity is another area where the Osmo Action 6 is rumored to shine. Expected to feature Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, these upgrades would enhance wireless transfers, app connectivity, and live streaming functionalities. Pricing will be critical to its success. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is currently priced at $349, and it's likely the Osmo Action 6 will be priced similarly. A tiered pricing strategy with a standard model closer to $300 and a Pro version near $400 could attract a wide range of users. This approach mirrors DJI's drone lineup, ensuring there's an option for every type of consumer. Launching in September 2025, places the Osmo Action 6 in direct competition with heavyweights like GoPro's Hero 14 Black and potential new offerings from Insta360. Releasing during the pre-holiday season allows DJI to capitalize on heightened consumer interest as buyers look to upgrade their gear or invest in cutting-edge technology. To stand out, DJI must deliver meaningful innovations. Features like AI-driven shooting modes, enhanced HDR capabilities, and smarter app integrations could help the Osmo Action 6 carve out its niche. As we await the official announcement, one thing is clear. The DJI Osmo Action 6 has the potential to redefine the action camera market, combining the best of its predecessors with user-driven improvements. If the leaks hold true, this could be a must-have device for adventurers, vloggers, and filmmakers alike. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its official release. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.